Hey guys, okay, so today I'm going to show you how to turn these into this. And this is the flower that I use for my money lays. Alright, so here we go. So first we're going to take this guy, we're going to fold it in half. And then this is just going to be our guideline. You're going to fold these in so that they meet. So that's what it looks like. And then you're going to take this and fold it again in half this way. So it looks like this. And go ahead and open it up. We're going to take all four corners and we're going to fold them in. Okay. So this is pretty easy, it's just time consuming. And you just want to make sure that these line up well so that you get like a straight line. It's probably not straight, but you get it. I'm going to do the other side. Let me turn this. It's kind of like making a paper airplane. And that's just like that. That's what that looks like, that stage. And then you're going to take these two ends, you're going to fold them into the middle, like so. And you're pretty much done. And then we're going to fold it like this. So you're going to do it do this 3 times. So I already have 2 other ones that I have done. And you're going to put them together like this, so they're all the same way. And you're going to get a string, if I can find one. And you're going to tie them. Like this. Let's see. You want to make sure you tie them tight. And the knot can be on the side because the petals will just hide the knot, so you won't have to worry about the knot showing. Unless you want it to show, that's up to you. But, so, that's it. We'll cut this off. And then you're going to take these like this, and then we're going to go ahead and open them up. So, and I mean, you can do this with $2 if you want, or 2 bills, I should say, depending on how much money you want to use. So that's what I'll show you what that looks like. So this is what it looks like after. And then I like to like curl these a little, give it some character. That's what that looks like. Pretty easy. And then this one I did, you know, with 2 bills. So you can kind of see what 2 bills look like. And I just put them together the same way. And then open them up. So depending on how many bills you want to use, it's up to you. You can make like little bouquets of flowers. There you go. Hope you enjoyed.